Why am I so close? Nope. There we go. That looks nice. So, I want to say the final stop, potentially the final stop of my tour of the world of engineering. I'm at a car show. So there's a show here called Vibes and Wheels, and that's where I am. If you've seen any snippets and stuff like that from when the video started, I just got here and yeah, I'm thoroughly impressed. Like I want to say my favorite car so far. I've seen like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cars, and my favorite one so far is that Audi TT, the Grand Theft Audi. Pretty cool. So I'm going to keep walking around. I'm going to show you what it is. I doubt that I'll be talking to anyone or about many of the cars. It'll probably be just a cinematic video because, I mean, most people don't speak English, so that's going to be a bit difficult. But, ooh, Porsche. Just a Porsche in the wild. Yeah, obviously most people don't speak English, so if I can find somebody who speaks English, great. If not, it is what it is. But let's see what we can find. See if we can find some inspiration for builds back at home. Okay, bye. that's it for the, well, unless I find something else to do, that's it for really the Euro tour. Those are some of, not some of those, are all the museums that I went to. We got to see a show. We'll see if there's something else that's entertaining and that's car related that I do, then I'll film that as well. But for now, I'm tired. Some very nice cars. It looks like all the cars that are on the podiums are cars that like either won or they entered or whatever the case may be. They are doing a show and shine, I think now, but I'm leaving before that's done. They're busy with the sound competition now and I'm just tired, so I'm leaving now, but I got to see all the cars, shot as much as I could. Didn't really speak much about the cars, but the quality of, but before we said this, right, the quality of cars that they have just in Europe, generally is so clean. Like, to me, it looks like the show doesn't have like the industry support that it should, for at least what I'm used to in SA. Because there were like 4 stalls, maybe, if that. But the quality of car was just next level, right? The builds were insane. So that's nice to see, and that's sick. So yeah, overall pretty good. I'm heading out, and I mean, it'll be a while before you see this video, but you'll see it soon. Or well, you guys won't really know, but you'll see it soon. So, bye.